Hello friends, welcome to the yet another session of vocabulary. The today word of the day is asinine. The meaning of asinine is foolish या फिर stupid. Foolish or stupid. In Hindi, the meaning is बुद्धिहीन. Now, the most important thing. What is the technique to remember the meaning of this word? So the technique is कि हम asinine को दो words में divide करेंगे. One is ASI and the other word is ASI and the other word is 9, right? 80 ASI sounds like 80 which is 80 in Hindi and 9 is 9, right? Now यहाँ पे हम एक स्टोरी क्रिएट करेंगे. दिस इज अ डिस्कशन, दो डिस्कशन हो रहा है मदर एंड सन में. सो द मदर आस्क्ड द चाइल्ड हाउ मच मार्क्स डिड यू गॉट इन मैथ्स. आपको मैथ्स में कितने मार्क्स आए हैं? द चाइल्ड सेज आई गॉट 80 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 9. मुझे 9 में से 80 नंबर आए, मुझे 9 में से 80 नंबर आए हैं. एंड देन द मदर सेज व्हाट, आर यू स्टूपिड, राइट? बिकॉज getting 80 out of 9 is not possible. So the mother is saying, "Aap stupid ho." Now this storyline connects very well to the meaning of this word asinine, right? So this was the technique to remember the meaning of this word. Now comes the usage. The usage for this word is, she absolutely ignored her asinine and the weird remark. And second is, have you heard anything asinine as read before, right? So these are the two ways. In fact, there could be और भी तरीके हैं जहाँ पे हम इस वर्ड को सेंटेंस में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, right? So this was the word for the day. For the next word, we'll wait for till tomorrow. I'll be coming with a new word. Thank you so much.